So from when I saw Kourtney Kardashian use this product, I had to get it. So I am talking about this product, and being an Indian, it is a must have, and I'm so excited that I finally got this, and I'm very excited to try because it is a hot favorite among all of the bloggers, all of the celebs, and all of the influencers, and all of them. So I am talking about the Aztec India Healing Clay, and I'm so excited to try this product because finally I got hands on this product, and oh my god, I'm going to talk more about it. So subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video. So it is the Aztec Secret India Healing Clay, and oh god, so you can see in this video Kourtney Kardashian used with a fork. So you know how much I'm such a fan of the Kardashians, and I had to get this because I'm always known as Kim Kardashian for my body. To speak more about this product, it is for all skin types, it is for both men and women, and it helps to detox your body. It makes your skin so glowing. You know that Kourtney Kardashian is a vegan and she only uses like gluten-free products, and if she's promoting this, so I had to stand by this and I had to get my hands on this. So if you're someone who's suffering from pores, acne, anti-pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, tanning, whiteheads, blackheads, and all of those things, this is a solution. So there are no side effects, it is free from all chemicals, and you get a almost like for 3 years. The expiry date is 3 years, which is a very long time. I have the problem of open pores, so I'm going to try this and let's see how it performs. So I'm just going to remove my makeup, try my hair, and then we're going to review this product. So there are a couple of directions, so as I am doing, I'll explain to you guys. So I just removed my makeup and I just washed my face with a normal cleanser. So the directions of use are: mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar, or you can use your water as well, and you shouldn't use a metallic bowl. So I just took my normal plastic bowl, and what I'm going to do is take a little amount of this and I'm going to mix it with water. So you have to make a mixture and you have to apply smoothly on all of the parts. So I'm going to apply on my face and my neck, and then I'm going to leave it for a good 10 minutes. You know, you will feel your skin pulsating. So yeah, so we are going to do that, and you will feel your skin is getting tighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little amount, probably this much, and I'm just going to use my normal water. And when cleansing, you can use your normal hot, a little bit of warm water. So I'm going to prepare a paste. So I'm just going to take this much. So if I feel like I need a little more, I'm going to add a little bit more of powder. So it depends on the consistency you want. So I think I need a little bit more because it is watery. So what I like to do is, I think I'm going to add this much, probably 1 more spoon, because I want to apply on my neck as well. So I want it in a thick paste kind of consistency. So yeah, now I'm going to apply. So you can see this is the consistency that I'm looking for, and just let's apply. So it feels so cooling on your face. So I'm also going to go under the neck. So yeah, so I am going to leave this for good 10-15 minutes. Almost been 5 minutes since I've applied the pack. And oh my god, I can feel a tightening kind of effect and pulsating on my face. So I'm just going to wait for 5 few minutes and then we're going to rinse it off with little warm water. So it's good 10 minutes and the mask is dried up and I can feel this tightening kind of sensation. So I just have some warm water with me right here. So we're just going to remove it. So I finally just rinsed it off and oh my god, my skin feels so tighter and you can definitely see the glow before and after. And oh my god, my skin feels so soft and you can definitely see a glow. So by repeated, these all acne scars that I have, eventually by repeated usage they will get lighter. I don't even feel like I have applied a clay mask because it's so soft. My skin is so soft and I feel really hydrated as well. So thank you so much if you watched till the end, and the links to all of this will be in the description, so blindly get it. Oh my god, it's so good. And so as it says, it's the world's most powerful clay. I think I give it a yes. And I am someone who suffers from open pores, and if I give it a yes, it will definitely work on you as well. So that's it guys. Thank you so much if you watched till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.